Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Journal question part 1, topic on meeting place. Your first question, where is your favorite place to meet with your friend? Your answer is in my living room for sure. I have a nice big couch, and many floaty pillows. A variety of the drinks are valuable, and we can feel free to make ourselves as comfortable as we could. Your second question, do you think there are some place more suitable for meeting with others? Your answer, absolutely. But it depends. I mean, for those who are very sensitive, as I mentioned, public places are more suitable. But for those who are very gregarious and extrovert, actually they don't care where to meet. I mean, the location does not matter that much of them. Your third question, are there any difference between your favorite meeting place better than the others? Your answer, no difference. I always ask my best friend to come to my home to hang out. It's best place because we can make ourselves as comfortable as we can. Why are some meeting place better than the others? Well, I think it's totally personal feeling. Some people would prefer open area where other value privacy. So different people may have a different preference in the term of the meeting place. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the new update video about the Ielts education.